Model 2012 Renault TRAFIC VIVARO 2.0dCi CDTI M9R engine donor needs gearbox spares OR repair. Grin. Body white, panel van. Mileage 167188. Engine 1996 CCM 9R90E5A. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox struggles to select first and second gear. Gearbox selector inside the box has too much play, will need repairing or replacing. Easy job for the right person. First to see will buy. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: part service history.